Today I want to share a story with all of you. I used to work for a company where I had to work on Excel, Microsoft Excel a lot. And to be honest, I never really enjoyed it. In fact, many people hate working on Excel, but I had no choice. I had to work on it because I was supposed to prepare some reports and do a lot of work just in Excel. In the beginning, I did not enjoy working in Excel even for a single minute. But when I realized that I have no other option, I tried to find ways to keep myself engaged and keep myself motivated. So what I did, I started preparing tools and doing automation to make my life easier. So in case you don't know, you can write macros in Microsoft Excel. It is basically known as the Visual Basic Applications, VBA programming, and you can do wonderful things with VBA. And I basically learned VBA to solve my own problem, to basically keep myself motivated and to simply make my way of working more efficient. Now, I'm telling you all this because just because I started doing this VBA programming in Excel, it gave me a lot of new ideas. So when I was working for this company where I had to write VBA macros in Excel, I realized that I'm good in it because I used to spend a lot of time just writing macros, and I used to not only solve my own problems, but many people in the organization, they realized and they came to know about this new skill of mine, and they asked me to solve their problems as well. And within few months, everyone in the organization started reaching out to me, especially people who were at management positions, because they anyways work a lot on Excel sheets even now, which is fine. Excel is a good tool. I think it is one of the best tool from one of the best software from Microsoft, and of course it has been there in the industry for a long time. Now, when I realized that I am actually good in it, people reach out to me. It gave me an idea about writing a book. So I started writing a book on VBA, and in fact I wrote a book which of course I never published, but I anyways wrote a book. So that is number one. I also realized that I can do some part-time work, and I started advertising myself on my blog and a few other places online, that I can help you in learning Microsoft VBA. So this is something that I thought I can do, like training other people, training other organizations, and also at the same time providing consultation. So I'm telling you all this because in the beginning I used to hate working on Excel, but I reached a point where not only I started enjoying working in Excel, but I also started providing trainings, providing consultation, and also I started writing a book, which I of course never finished, but I anyways realized that I can write a book, which I eventually did many times for, of course, not Excel, but for Jira and other Atlassian applications. So the moral of the story is that if you want to be happy in your life, if you want to do something that you can really enjoy, first of all, you need to first figure out yourself what you can do all day long without getting bored, without getting tired. If you can realize what that thing is, in the beginning it can be difficult to figure out what you actually love doing all day long. In that case, just keep trying different things. If you're in a job where you have to do something that you don't really enjoy doing, then try to do it in an efficient way. Try to find a way to do it maybe faster. So try to break the monotonous approach of doing things. If you're doing something which is you think is monotonous, although it is definitely very personal, something that is monotonous to you cannot be monotonous for someone else. But if you think it is monotonous, if you don't really enjoy doing it, then try to do it in a better way. Try to do it faster. Try to do it maybe quicker, or maybe in more efficient way. Maybe try to automate it if you can. So this is something that I thought I will share. Second thing is that if once you realize what that thing is, then try to figure out a way so that others can pay you for doing that thing that you really enjoy. And that can be in a form of doing freelancing, doing your own business, or maybe finding a job. So if you can find someone who can pay you, let us say you're really good in doing some specific thing, and that may be a very boring thing for many people, but not for you, because you really enjoy working on that particular thing. I'm just giving you this example of Microsoft VBA that actually opened up a lot of opportunities for me, because I realized that I can be really good in something that others can pay me for, even if they're not really paying me, even if I'm not really doing any freelance work or maybe a business. At least I get recognition, and that is really good, because you will feel really good about your skill, and that will definitely give you lot of happiness. So this is something that I really wanted to share today, a small story that helped me. This is of course from my own life, but I'm sure you can also relate to it, and I thought I can maybe help you by sharing this particular story of mine. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you also learned something new today. Thank you very much.